If a Christian asks what,
I'll name a thing.
If a Christian asks what,
I'll name a thing.
If they ask me what,
I'll give an idea.
If a girl asks where,
I'll name a place.
If a girl asks where,
I'll name a place.
If she asks me where,
I'll name a place.
If a boy asks when,
I'll give a time.
If a boy asks when,
I'll give the time.
If a boy asks when, I'll tell the time. If she asks me where, I'll name a place. If they ask me what, I'll name a thing. If you ask me when, I'll give the time. People ask me who,
I'll give a name.
People ask me who,
I'll give a name.
If they ask me who,
I'll name someone.
Daddy ask me which,
I'll choose a thing.
Daddy ask me which,
I'll choose a thing.
Friends ask me how,
I'll say I mean.
Teacher ask how much,
I'll give the price.
Teacher ask how much,
I'll give the price.
If they ask why, I'll give a reason. They ask me why, I'll give reason. You ask how much, I'll tell the price. Ask how much, I give the price. We will start with how. There are different ways you can use how to ask questions, and it has different meaning, or the response depends on how the question is being asked. So our focus here is how. How. How are you? How are you? How are you is for you to tell me how you're feeling. How many? How many? How many is about countable nouns, things you can count. How many people are at your home now? How many apples are in the fridge? How many? How much? How much is used to talk about uncountable nouns, things you cannot count. How much milk do we have in the glass? How much for uncountable nouns? How do you is to talk about means. How do you go to school? How do you go to the market? So we are going to explore this in this presentation. Let's start with how much. How much is used to talk about quantity. Quantity. How much for uncountable nouns, things you cannot count. How much? How much liquid is in each glass? How much liquid is in each glass? Look here, we have 3 different glasses. Let's go to the first glass. How much liquid is in this first glass? This first glass is half full. Half full means the liquid inside is midway, in the middle, about half full. How much liquid or orange juice do we have in this second glass? The second glass is almost full. Almost full. That means it's almost to the brim. You can look at it. Look at where the orange juice ends. There is still a little bit of space before the glass is completely full. So The glass is almost full. What about the third glass? How much liquid is in this glass? This glass is almost empty. It is almost empty. That means you have just a little bit left in the glass. So how much is used to talk about quantity? Quantity, that is uncountable nouns, things we cannot count. How many is used to talk about numbers, things we can count, countable nouns. How many apples can you see? How many apples can you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can see 7 apples. How many people are at your home now? I'm asking about the number of people. How many students are in your class? I'm asking about the number. Okay, now let's go to how much. How much? How much is for you to use when you have to talk about money, cash. How much is a glass of fruit juice or mocktail? How much means how much money do you have to pay to get a glass of fruit juice or mocktail? How much is a bottle of water? How much is a pen at the nearest shop? How much is to talk about cash, money, how much you pay for something. How here is talking about means. Means, that means how you go around your city, how you go to places, how you move from one place to another. How do you go around your city? How do you go around your city? How do you go to school? Some people go around by taxi, by bus, by car, by bike, okay, by bicycle, by scooter. There are many different means you can use to go around or to move from one place to another. How for means. How you go around your city, how you go around your town, how you move from one town to another, how you move from one province to another, how you move from one place to another. Which is used to talk about choice. Choice. That means you have options to choose from. Look on the screen. We have carrots and we have bananas. Which do you like to eat? Which do you like to eat? That means you have to choose. You have 2 options. You have to choose one. Which do you like to eat? I like to eat bananas. Why? Why means you have to give a reason. You have to give a reason. Why is this dog so fat? Look at the dog. Why is this dog so fat? This dog is fat because it eats a lot. What do you think? Why do you think this dog is so fat? So you have to give a reason. Why is he sleeping in class? Look at this picture. You see a boy or a student sleeping. Why is he sleeping in class? He is sleeping in class because he is not feeling too well. He is sleeping in class because he stayed up late last night. What do you think? Why is he sleeping in class? So when you hear why, you have to give a reason. Next, when. When. When is for you to give time. Time. When do you go to bed? When do you go to bed? That means I'm asking the time that you go to bed. I go to bed at about 10 p.m. When do you go to school? When is your birthday? When is for you to give the time, the date. Okay? So when is about time. Okay, so we have learned the question words. Now let's practice with a conversation. And after the conversation, there is a task for you.
Hello, Babs.
Hi, Beach. How are you?
Great, thanks. How are you?
I'm okay. Where are you going?
I'm going to the cinema.
How will you get there?
We are going by bus.
Who are you going with?
I'm going with my friend, Kate.
Which movie are you going to watch?
Barbie, the new release.
I've heard so much about it. How much is a ticket?
180 baht per ticket. You can come with us, Babs.
Sorry, I can't.
But why?
I wish I could, but I haven't finished my homework. Have fun.
Okay, see you later.
So, practice time. With a partner or friend, write your own conversation using as many question words as you can for presentation. For listening. Thank you so much for participating in this. Did you enjoy the lesson? Please subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can be the first to be notified when we upload a new video. Thank you so much and see you next time.